Hello guys and gals, my name is William Clark, and I'm looking out my window right now over the beautiful town of Racine, Ohio. But I think this is kind of what I said about, like, the, yeah, right here, it's fucked up. Like, remember I said something about this in my, shit, what was that video? That video, oh yeah, the vlog where I said big things are happening soon. Well, yeah, I don't know if you can see, oh, people walking. I don't know why they're walking, but they're walking. But yeah, if you can see over here, it does not look stable at all. Then again, with age, something to expect. Oh, there's our Jeep, by the way. Blue Jeep with the fucked up back. And yeah, so how's everyone this beautiful Saturday? Oh yeah, I didn't show you my USB keyboard. I can basically control my PS3 pretty much from the USB. Like, I have the main menu ambience from the My Little Foundation Containment is Magic, also known as SCP the SCP Containment Breach mod. It's a My Little Pony mod. I'm gonna play it at some point, but I'm pressing right, pressing left, enter, the escape button. Oh yeah, and in case you can't tell, I have Noir as my wallpaper, and yes, Noir is from Hyperdimension Neptunia Victory. I have the theme. Look at this, Hyperdimension Neptunia Victory theme. But yeah, I can watch videos, like I'm watching Master PK Cam, that's what I call him, even though his
Hello
yeah,
everyone and welcome back to the walkthrough.
yeah, I can watch him with the fucking keyboard. Press left to move a frame, right to also move a frame. Yeah. F1. Yeah, it tells you play from the beginning, and oh, beautiful. This is downright beautiful. Now, it doesn't work on games, at least not that I found. There might be a way I can fix it to where I can play Minecraft with the USB keyboard, and only the USB. I don't trust this thing, for obvious reasons. I made a video all about this piece of shit. If I'm lucky, in December, I'm going to get a new PS3. Comes equipped with a PS3 and a control and GTA 5, I think. I hope. GTA 5 isn't that bad of a game. I live stream me playing some Xbox games, and yeah. But that's it for this thingy. I'm talking about the USB keyboard. I can fucking control this thing at ease. Now let's sign into my PSN. I can also do that from here. That's awesome. And so, yeah. Let's go down into the... I know you saw my cat before. You know, my... Oh, ow, my side. My fucking side hurts. And Fluttershy? You should stop getting me up in the morning. Usually it's Twilight that gets me up, but this time it's Fluttershy. The flutters. let's head. Yep. It's very beautiful outside. Let's walk. Food for days, guys and gals. There she is. Sleeping. She's a beautiful kitty. Oh, nope, I woke her up. Hello, kitty. Meow. Meow. Yes. You get a tail. So soft. It's a fluffy tail. The cat just had to get up. So anyway, guys and gals, this is a weekend video. Where'd it go? Yeah. Let's pester the cat some more. Yes, cat, I'm back. Yes, good morning, my little kitty. Meow. She's beautiful, isn't she? I don't think we have a name for her yet. We're trying to figure that out ourselves. We've had her for a couple of... Cat on the table. A cat on the table. Oh. What are you doing, cat? There you go. Cat, you're crazy. Meow. Anyways, guys and gals, that's about it for this video. I just wanted to show you more cats, more of this cat. And yes, she got a collar now. In case if you can't tell. Yeah, see right there, collar. I think this cat likes being on camera, and her paws are really soft. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Follow the cat. Follow the cat. Oh, penny. Forgot about the penny. I'm saving up for whenever I do get a new PS3, if I get one for my friend. Anyways, guys and gals, I will see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out, people, and bro hoof. And I just wanted to show you more cats, like more of our cat. And I also wanted to show you my new USB keyboard. I did not get that from dumpster diving, surprisingly. Yeah, the resale store here in Racine. Yeah, they sell everything basically. Like, so I asked, what do you sell? And they said, basically everything. One of these kind of games. Suckage. And there's a gargantuan Fluttershy right there. But yeah. I paid $1 for USB keyboard. Most USB keyboards. Yeah, most USB keyboards cost a lot of money. Even if it's just a standard Windows one like this. Nothing's happening. But I'll keep you up to date in another video if I can control like video games. Like, you see, yes, I can, get a Minecraft. Oh yeah, I forgot, I should end the video off when I say, I'll see you guys later, hope you enjoy, blah, 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 blah. But, yeah, I'm just gonna show you an issue with, this USB keyboard. And again, I don't think it was meant to, update Minecraft. Where's the X button? X button! Fuck it. I don't need to update yet. I'm not gonna update it yet. Yeah, I'm playing Minecraft. But yeah. Okay. Now let's go down. I'm pressing down on the keyboard, up on the keyboard, left, right, whatever. Yeah. It doesn't work while playing games. Now, it does work when typing stuff in. Like you're typing things in on a signboard in Minecraft in a sign, or typing stuff in like what you want to name your world. And yeah, that's it. But if I can find a way to make this work, I would not use this. Fuck you. Fuck you, controller. Yeah. I would find a way, I would use the keyboard, because it's got a lot of buttons, all these buttons. I'd have the space bar. I have it set to like Minecraft PC controls. Like space bar, jump, enter, to, I guess, kind of pause the game, as well as ESC. And I'd have, but things will be different. I'll have I as an inventory. I'll have M. M would serve as the R2 button to like mine stuff. C for crafting, or I'll have P for placing blocks. Probably C for crafting, which would be the L2 button. And other buttons. So I would use the keyboard, and also the arrow keys up, down, left, right. Now, how would I kind of shift to the left? I kind of, like, you know how you use the mouse to kind of shift left and shift right to kind of better angle it? I will have some odd controls for that. I'd have the question mark for right. No. I'll have this for right. No, this for left, this for right. So I'll have the whole fucking controls figured out. Yeah, it'll be fucking wonky as shit, but it'll be worth it. At least until I can get a new controller. But anyways, guys and gals, I will see you in the next video. This time I mean it. Peace out, people, and Brohoof. Oh! Minecraft forever. Fluttershy edition.